वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। इस वीडियो में मैंने एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज 5.2 से अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 एंड 8 सिर्फ यही दो सम्स मैं लेने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो दो सम्स है ये थोड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है और फिर ये बिल्कुल एक ही जैसा है। द टाइप इज सेम। सो इफ यू आर हैविंग डाउट्स प्लीज गो थ्रू द एंटायर वीडियो and also please subscribe the channel because I shall be uploading NCERT all the exercises, the full 10th CBSE syllabus. The science topics will also be uploaded in the channel very soon. Another thing, if you have any doubts, I would like to tell that अगर आपको कुछ भी doubts हो या फिर आपको कोई particular topic किसी टॉपिक में बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी आती हो तो फिर आप ज़रूर कमेंट्स में लिख के मुझे बताएं, मैं उस टॉपिक से पहले वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूंगी। ओके देन लेट अस स्टार्ट देन। फाइंड द 31st term of an AP whose 11th term. So they have asked for the 31st term and they have given Tn, that is the 11th term is 38 and the T16 is 73. So 38 is, I am following the formula, Tn is A plus n minus 1, A plus n minus 1 d. I am following this formula. Okay, so this is Tn, the value of the term A I don't know, plus n minus 1. N is, they have told, whose 11th term. Okay, so here I should write T11 is 38. Okay, so 11th term, so n minus 1 becomes 11 minus 1, which is 10d. Okay, similarly the 16th term is 73, A plus 15d is a 73. Okay, so these are my two equations. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि आपको साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स यहाँ आ जाता है, क्योंकि दो अननोन वेरिएबल है, मुझे इसका वैल्यूज निकालना है। तो फिर सीधे हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। सब्ट्रैक्ट यानी कि जो नीचे वाला एक्सप्रेशन रहेगा उसको चेंज एंड साइन हो जाएगा उसमें। सो प्लस से एंड माइनस से कैंसिल। दिस इज 10 minus 15 minus 5d and this is 73 minus 38. 73 and 38, that is 5 1, that is 35. Okay, so minus 5d is minus 35. माइनस काट देते हैं दोनों तरफ से। d is equal to 35 by 5 which is a 7. तो ये हो गया मेरा वैल्यू ऑफ d। लेकिन सम अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, अभी हमें a का वैल्यू भी निकालना है। तो फिर a के लिए हम जो सिंपलर, इसमें थोड़ा सिंपल है, ऐसा तो खैर दोनों ही सिंपल ही है। 38 a प्लस 10 इंटू 7, मैंने d का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट किया है यहाँ पे। ओके, a प्लस 70 इज 38, a इज इक्वल टू 38 माइनस 70 विच इज अ माइनस 32. ओके, तो a is minus 32 and d is 7. Now हमें a और d का सिर्फ वैल्यू निकालने से नहीं चलेगा, we have to find the 31st sum also. So T31 is, first let me write the a plus 31st, so means 31 minus 1, that is 30, n minus 1, and d is how much? D is 7. Okay, so this is my minus 32 plus 210. So 210 minus 32 is how much? 210 minus 32, 8. This is 7, 178. Okay, so my answer is, final answer is 178. This is my answer. Okay, so you will have to show this also, finding D, finding A, and then find T31. Okay, so let me try out the next question, which is the 8th sum. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. The third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay, now this is the AP in which it has a total of 50 terms, in which the third term यानी कि T3 is equal to 12 and the last term but we T50 is 106. So now I'll write 12 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. n is 3 here, n minus 1 that is 2D, but यहाँ पे हमें A और D का वैल्यू ही नहीं पता. Okay, like the previous sum. तो T50 is 106. This is A plus n minus 1 D, 50th term. So here 49, क्योंकि मैं इस फॉर्मूला को फॉलो कर रही हूँ, n minus 1 D, ये जो फॉर्मूला है इसे मैं फॉलो कर रही हूँ. Tn is A plus n minus 1 D. अभी इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, बिल्कुल साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन बन चुका है. This is minus 47D and here I have, if I subtract, how much will I get? 106 minus 12, 106 minus 12, that is 94. Okay, but minus 94. Then minus cancel from both sides. D is 94 by 47, which is a 2. So I have got A and D. So find the 29th term. Now they are saying find the 29th term. So now once we have got D, we'll have to find the value of A. So here 12 is A plus 2 into 2. Okay, so A is equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8. So I got the value of A also. Now they are saying find the 29th term. So T29 we have to find, which is A plus 28D, isn't it? Because n minus 1D, A is 8 plus 28 into 2, which is equal to 8 plus 56, which is equal to 64. So T29 is a 6. So this was again, as you saw, it was one particular type of sum where we had to do it the simultaneous way. So this was one particular sum which was the 7th and 8th question of NCERT exercise 5.2 arithmetic progressions or AP. Okay, so if you have liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and that's it for today. Bye then.